Hi guys, my name is Clifton and welcome to Concrete Projects, my home consulting channel where I do videos about home improvement and home DIY. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a headboard out of barnwood. Cheap and easy. Just quickly, if this is your first time to my channel, remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Firstly, you need to determine the length of your headboard according to your bed. For a double bed, 137 centimeters. For a queen, 152 centimeters. And a king size bed, 183 centimeters. Now, the height of your headboard. The height of your headboard is very important. You don't want to create a gap between your mattress and your headboard. All the heights of the beds are different because of the brand, type and the make. So use a measuring tape to determine the height. For this bed, it's going to be about 450 millimeters wide. Now, the tools you need. Once you determine the height for your headboard, here are the tools you need for this project. Barnwood planks, 3.5 by 30 millimeter drywall screws, screwdrivers, a drill, sandpaper, color paint, clear paint, and a measuring tape. I will also add these tools in a video description down below. Number 4. Selecting your wood. So, I selected the barnwood planks I want to use and cut it to size. Just before you assemble it, put the wood on a flat surface to get an idea how the end product will look like. Number 5. Preparation of your wood. For the post of the headboard, I'm going to use 38 by 38 millimeter pine wood. Before you assemble it, you must paint and sand the posts. You can either give it a color to match your room or stain it the same color as your wood. The barnwood itself, I'm just sanding it softly, just to get rid of all the dirt and sharp edges. And don't sand it too much, you want to keep that rustic barnwood look. Once sanded, I gave it 2 coats of clear lac, just to protect it, and it enhances the natural color of the barnwood. Lastly, assembling of the wood. Okay, great. The paint is dry, so let's start by assembling the wood. If you have wood joining each other like this, assemble the post at the same spot where the wooden planks are joining. For better support, I added the extra plank going upright. And it makes it easier to assemble. Always double check if the posts are square and plumb. There you go, a quick and easy way to make your own headboard. Really cheap and easy, and it still looks awesome. Have an awesome day, and remember, keep it simple.